Today I'm going to show you how I started YouTube, right? And how I find my niche. So initially, right, I started as a beauty content creator. I started to teach people on how to use my products because I sell cosmetic and skincare. And then now I also teach people on how to grow their TikToks because TikTok actually helped me to grow my YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers and above. So right now I have about 1,005. It took me a few years to actually have that 1,000 subscribers, right? Because I don't know how to do YouTube, right? But now I know how to do it because I have TikTok to help me to churn out the followers, right? And follow on my YouTube channel, right? And then also, right, I want to help you in finding your niche and what kind of videos are popular. So here is one of my tricks. Take a look at Neil Patel's YouTube. He's very famous for his social media marketing and very famous for growing Instagram followers, and he's very famous for his SEO. Okay, so basically, right, I will go to his channel and go to video and take a look at the most popular videos. Okay, and these are the most popular topics that you can use if you're in social media, that you can use to create a video, and then so that you can create videos, more values, right? And then the followers, your subscribers will follow you as well. So one more thing is, right, if you can get I have the links below on this video, right? Get TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy will help you to find keywords. Later I'll show it to you, and also keywords everywhere. Okay, I'll send you the link later. So basically for me, right, when I search for social media marketing, right, can you see there's 246,000 per month? That means there's 246,000 people searching per month on social media marketing. Right, and that's how I know that, oh, okay, actually there is, this title is good. And then after that, right, I'll go and search for more titles like how to... or how social media marketing can help businesses. So you see, can you see that with the keywords everywhere, I'm able to see how many people search for all these things within a month, right? So normally I'll find lower than 5,000 per month. So that's how I get more age, in the sense that people who search for all these things, right, they will come to my channel, right? YouTube will show them my channel, right, and I have a chance to get subscribers. So because it's quite low key search, it's in terms of low number of search, right, so you will have a higher chance to win the bigger channel, because the bigger channels, right, they will already have their own followers and subscribers. But this is how I win those bigger channels. So if you're a small channel like me, right, it's best to start with searches that's lower than 5,000 per month, right? And then for if you follow my YouTube, I'm going to teach you, right, how to use TubeBuddy, this one, to find the keywords. All right, so I hope that you love this video, and I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye. Do you want to be an influencer? Do you want to be your own boss? Are you an entrepreneur who wanted to use video marketing, right, to generate organic leads, right, and to increase your revenue? Follow me for more.